Hi everyone, Jeremy from China Addict. Following the unboxing of the Redmi Note 7 and to do something a bit different than a regular review, I wanted to give you my 5 reasons on why this phone is still a good thing to buy 7 months after its first release. Reason 1. The camera. The Redmi Note 7 has 2 lenses on the back, the famous 48 megapixel and a 5 megapixel lens for portrait. The main lenses capture 4 pixels and merge them into one for higher resolution of 12 megapixel, which give better details. As you can see on those examples, the quality of the device doesn't disappoint in good light condition when the light starts to decrease or even inside. Reason 2. The screen. This 6.3 inches screen with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 gives you the possibility to enjoy your apps and to watch YouTube video easily, but it still fits in your pocket. Reason 3. The battery. 4000 mAh battery can last for more than 2 days without recharging. It also supports quick charge, and look at this cool animation, I still love it. Reason 4. The design. The glass on the back, especially in Blue Neptune, always attracts everyone's attention when I use it. It gives this phone a premium look even though it doesn't cost much. That's what brings me to the last reason, the price. With the release of the Redmi Note 8 Pro, we can now find the Redmi Note 7 for around 150 euros in France, which is incredible knowing that this phone was only launched 7 months ago. Do you still need another reason? Unlike some of the latest phones, the Redmi Note 7 does have a headphone jack. Perfect if you want to keep your wired earbuds, but mostly because it allows you to plug an external microphone and then use your Redmi Note 7 to record your video, thanks to its great video quality, as you can see right now. So this is for all of these reasons that I don't regret buying this phone and that I can't wait to have the new MIUI 11 installed on it. I will talk about this update in an upcoming video, so you may want to subscribe to the channel to see it, and I'll see you in the next video.